Hello and welcome to our channel. Let's talk about how a simple tool called Disto revolutionizes the world of home renovation, specifically tile and stoneware installation. These profiles, gentlemen, are your secret weapon for a perfect, hassle-free tile job. Not only do they stop weeds from gate crashing your beautiful patio, they also provide stable support, preventing your tiles from wobbling. Their strategic design helps guard against chipped edges and deformed joints. Aesthetically, Disto profiles provide a neat finish, beautifully bridging the gap between tiles and other materials. Plus, their unique T-profile not only prevents weed growth, but also ensures a fine joint pattern. Folks, an elegant, durable finish is all in the details. Stylum. Let's step outside into the world of safe, sustainable playgrounds. We bring to the spotlight Stilum, a brand reshaping the way we design play areas. Stilum specializes in flexible, modular paving systems, conjured up from recycled materials. Their grids, robust against weather and erosion, are as durable as they are easy to install. An interesting perk: they allow vegetation to thrive, adding a touch of green to your playground. Beyond just being safe and visually appealing, Stilum playgrounds champion inclusivity. From Millennium Park in Chicago to the Olympic Park in London, these grids have facilitated accessible play areas for those with disabilities and specifically cater to children with autism. From playground installations with Stilum grids, let's switch gears to transformative construction material. Meet a leading brand offering on-site foam concrete production solutions. MAI's metering pumps are known for their reliability, longevity, and cost-effectiveness, enabling you to produce foam concrete effortlessly and efficiently right on your job site. This brings us to foam concrete itself, an innovation in construction. It's a lightweight, adaptable mix of concrete and a foaming agent. The outcome: concrete that's not only lighter, but also porous, insulative, and fire-resistant. Truly a game-changer for various projects from road repairs and soil stabilization to home building and insulation. Foam concrete takes us a step forward in creating safer, more resilient, and environmentally friendly structures. Gripple Terra-Lock System. Now we turn to another revolutionary aspect in the construction world: securing embankments. Our focus today is the Gripple Terra-Lock System, a groundbreaking solution for embankment stabilization. This simple and economical system can effectively secure any size of embankment without needing bulky equipment. The Terra-Lock system is not just easy to install with a small team, but also friendly to vegetation, contributing further to slope stabilization. Able to endure up to 32.5 kilonewtons of load, this system ensures your embankments, regardless of their gradient, remain steady and firm. Stabilizing embankments is crucial to prevent landslides and erosion, maintaining the safety of our landscapes. Methods vary from regrading slopes and planting vegetation to using retaining walls or geotextiles. The Gripple Terra-Lock System, an efficient mechanical anchoring system, offers a stellar solution in this realm. Havelock Wool Blown. Fresh off securing landscapes, let's take that sustainability mindset indoors with Havelock Wool Blown and insulation. Made from 100% pure New Zealand sheep's wool, it's not only an ecologically friendly choice, but it also holds its own when it comes to breathability, moisture control, and fire resistance. Don't let the soft touch fool you. This wool works hard to regulate your indoor air quality and meet safety standards, all while being biodegradable. No need for specialized equipment. It's a simple, cost-effective solution that keeps your home cozy and your energy bills down. From insulating attics, walls, and floors to providing soundproofing in commercial spaces, Havelock will blown and adapts to all scenarios. Yieldlink. From the wool-insulated interiors, let's shift our focus to the formidable steel skeletons of our structures with the innovative Yieldlink bolted connection system. Not just versatile and cost-effective, Yieldlink defies the old-school norms of welding with its seismic resistance and easy software integration. Tackling labor shortage issues, Yieldlink lessens welding time significantly. And when the harsh elements strike, no need for a total overhaul. Yieldlink elements are straightforwardly replaceable, simplifying repairs. It's not surprising this patented technology is recognized by the American Institute of Steel Structures. Be it buildings, bridges, towers, or renewable energy platforms, Yieldlink stands firm. For those living in areas prone to earthquakes, high winds, or corrosive environments, Yieldlink offers enhanced resilience. And in hard-to-reach locales, it facilitates easier assembly. Amerimax. From our journey exploring the steel structure connections, let's now descend to the essential defenses against the elements with Amerimax, a trusted name in gittering systems. With a wide range of products designed to suit various needs, Amerimax marries quality with affordability. Their gittering systems, featuring debris filters and downspout extensions, are crafted from durable materials and designed for straightforward installation and maintenance. Amerimax isn't just for residential homes, but also finds utility in commercial buildings, industrial facilities, schools, hospitals, and churches. If you're battling heavy rainfall, ice, snow, high winds, or coastal flooding, Amerimax can help protect your property from subsequent damage. Liftsol. Let's dive into the revolution in terrace construction, aimed at those seeking the charm of raised terraces without the fuss of conventional methods. Liftsol's environmentally friendly, concrete-free solution is a game changer. This simple system can be installed with basic DIY skills and adapts well to all soil types and supporting materials from wood to stone and concrete. Built with the durability of galvanized steel, Liftsol can weather many years, withstanding up to 1,000 pounds per square foot. As we continue our exploration, we'll see how Liftsol's applications stretch beyond residential terraces to commercial patios, pole decks, gazebos, dog runs, and even garden beds. Enjoy peace of mind with Liftsol's 10-year warranty, a testament to its durability. TwoBlocks. Now I'm going to show you the futuristic world of building with TwoBlocks. This groundbreaking system is your key to erecting structures at a fraction of traditional time and cost. Imagine assembling lightweight, interlocking blocks without heavy machinery or even a foundation. Imagine a single person constructing a durable structure within days. Or the immense cost savings when compared to conventional methods. It's not only about efficiency and economics. TwoBlocks is a champion of sustainability, designed from recycled materials, and is recyclable itself. From homes, offices, and warehouses to schools and hospitals, TwoBlocks' versatility is boundless. Crafted from recycled EPS foam, these interlocking blocks redefine ease of assembly, allowing you to create energy-efficient structures resistant to fire, pests, and mold. Semper Green. Our innovative journey continues. From the ingenious construction with TwoBlocks, we now ascend to the roof with Semper Green, a Dutch marvel in green roofing systems. Imagine transforming your roof into a self-sustaining ecosystem, catering to a range of applications. Semper Green roofs capture up to 70% of rainwater, significantly reducing flooding and enhancing water quality. They're not just green in color. They help to green your energy bills too by cutting consumption by up to 30% through natural insulation. Furthermore, these roofs enhance air quality, improve biodiversity, and extend your roof life. Semper Green roofs come with a robust 20-year warranty, and their installation and maintenance are a breeze. Continuity Strip Stabilbox D. A boon for those dealing with reinforced concrete structures. It's made from high-grade steel and comes in 3 sizes to suit different rebar diameters. This high-quality steel creation ramps up the strength of your structures by a whopping 30%. It's not just strong, but long-lasting, resisting corrosion and wear over the years. The icing on the cake is its simple installation and cost-effectiveness, making it a practical choice for your construction needs, from foundations to columns, beams, slabs, bridges, and tunnels. In summary, Stabilbox D is your answer to a sturdy, durable, and cost-effective reinforcement for your concrete structures. Doka from Eco. As we round off this series, let's shine a spotlight on Doka from Eco, a user-friendly and economical formwork system from Doka. This high-quality, lightweight construction marvel is effortlessly assembled and disassembled. Doka from Eco stands out in its versatility, a reliable solution for various foundation and column applications. From wall and slab foundations to retaining walls and bridges, this system is always up to the task. But it's not just about flexibility. Doka from Eco also boasts impressive durability, thanks to its quality materials built to resist wear and damage. Furthermore, its lightweight aluminum and steel construction ensure easy transportation and storage, while a variety of sizes and configurations cater to every need. As an added bonus, it comes with a 10-year warranty. As we wrap up this series, remember, gentlemen, we're not just about building, but creating a future that is efficient, sustainable, and resilient. Our journey through the world of construction has been filled with innovations that enhance your projects, save time, cut costs, and most importantly, shape a better tomorrow. Thank you for being a part of this adventure and exploring this revolutionary frontier with us. If you found value in these insights, make sure to hit the subscribe button and share our channel with fellow visionaries. Let's build this community together. And remember, in the world of construction, progress is always one innovation away. Until our next series, stay safe, stay curious, and let's continue transforming the world, one brick at a time.